What is BHRT? Hi, Pharmacist Brad White for the Medicine Center Pharmacy in New Philadelphia, Ohio, and I'm a compounding pharmacist. Let's talk about something that's been life-changing for many of our patients, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT. As we age, our hormone levels naturally decline. That includes estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. This can lead to symptoms like hot flashes, fatigue, mood swings, brain fog, and low libido. Does that sound familiar? BHRT is a personalized therapy that uses hormones made from natural plant sources that are chemically identical to the ones your body makes. That's where compounding comes in. Unlike a one-size-fits-all hormone pill, commercial manufacturers kind of overlook customized doses. Compounding allows us to customize HRT doses to your body's needs. We work with your provider, combining your symptoms and lab results to get an exact dose that you may need. And we can combine that into creams, capsules, or even troches. The goal is to make you feel well-balanced, energized, and in control of your health, naturally and safely. If you're curious about BHRT or wondering if it's right for you, stop by and talk to us at the Medicine Center Pharmacy. We want our patients to feel themselves again. Call or stop by the Medicine Center Pharmacy here in New Philadelphia. We are here to help you and help you optimize your health.